Hi guys, 2 questions on last night's homework with your circumference and arc length. The first one was number 4. It's asking you to find the circumference of the circle. Your circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Well, we need to know what our radius is to figure out what our circumference is. But they're giving us that the area is 283.5. Well, we know the area of a circle is pi r squared. So if I replace the area with what I know, that's going to give us 283.5 is equal to pi r squared. And from here, I got to get r by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide this guy by pi. So I'm going to get 283.5 divided by pi is equal to r squared. And when you can plug this into your calculator, you get about 90.2. Keep it in your calculator, and that's equal to r squared. And then to get r by itself, the square root of both sides. So r is equal to approximately 9.5. 9.5, now we're going to use that and for our radius for the circumference. So we're going to get the circumference is equal to 2 pi times 9.5, and straight into your calculator you should get approximately 59.7. And number 8, we want to find the length of this dark arc here to the nearest tenth. So the way that we set this up, it's going to be our arc length, so part to whole, which is going to be your circumference, and that's going to be equal to the measure of your arc over 360. So part to whole, part to whole. So what is it that we know here? We know that our arc length, that's what we're looking for, so that's going to be our value of x over our circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r with my r being 2, my radius is 2, I'm going to get 2 times 2, which is going to give me 4 pi. So circumference of my circle is 4 pi. The measure of my arc, the dark part that I'm looking for, is going to be 240 over 360. So from here, I can just cancel the zeros, and then I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to get 36x is equal to, and crossing this way, I'm going to get 24 times 4 pi. And then to get x by itself, divide both sides by 36. So I get x is equal to 24 times 4 pi divided by 36. And when you plug that into your calculator, you get x to be approximately 8.4.